So over and over again, I've been asked the same question. Why to go to a retreat? Why to participate in a workshop? And I'm just now observing my life. I see that I sit outside on my balcony with this net, the mosquito net, and I feel so safe, because mosquito love me. And suddenly I realize, well, this is the same thing that I'm doing in retreats and workshops. When I go to a retreat, when I participate in a workshop, this is exactly what I do. I kind of get a net so that when I go out from the retreat, from the workshop, from the course to the daily life, I can be in the moment, but the net is kind of a protection I built inside myself. It's not exactly a protection, it's a new way of seeing things, and a new approach to what happens in my life. And then, for example, whatever I hear from people, instead of seeing it as a criticism, judgment, attack on me, I see it as, because it goes through the net, the attack thing or all the drama is staying outside, like the mosquitoes are staying outside, and what comes in is only what I can learn from it, okay? The lesson and the thing that I can improve in my life, the things I can take out, the layers I can get rid of from my ego, so that my life will be easier, lighter, happier, okay? And I think this is what we do in workshops, courses, and retreats. At least this is what I do when I go to my teachers, and also when I give retreats myself. Because when I give a retreat, I do the same work, and I do my best to facilitate, to give the space for people to feel safe enough in order to put on the surface the things that we want to get rid of, the wounds we have, that if we heal them, we can grow and be the love that we are, and then understanding that everybody here in the retreat, in the course, in the workshop, is doing the same. Everybody is coming for the net, okay? So the mosquito will not bite them and take their blood, but only what they, or we, okay, what we choose can enter, and also in the way that is of benefit for us. So this is one of the answers that I just understood for the question, why to go again on a retreat? I did so many retreats until now, so many workshops, and it stays for a few years maybe, and then gone. Or I did enough. Maybe I don't need anymore. Maybe. But I know for myself that I always am happy to have more and to get rid of more layers of my ego. And yeah, so this is my answer. I hope I helped you. Enjoy your life, be happy, and be the light that you are.